Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Madam, hello. Hello, madam.
Excuse me.
Sasa, madam.
When nani?
Unanishika
aje
kwanza? Sorry, please. Naitwa Father Kafadha. I'm very sorry. Okay, madam, can I have just 1 minute asking you your name?
No, I don't talk to men like you.
I'm sorry, madam. Please, okay, let me not touch you. I'm very sorry. Niko tuna jambo tu moja.
No.
Jingere, penye jingere, madam.
I don't, uko na gari?
Niko na gari, by the way. Kamene na wuothe ni. Biro mana ng'iyo lo ne adwa ng'iyo lo man kae ni gacha we kacha V8. Achunga kacha. Kora neno kiwuotho to wacho ni let me just ask you your name. Penye ka jingere, you never know. Idhi nade?
I'm not bad.
What's your name?
My name is Purity.
Purity.
Yeah.
Nice name.
Thank you.
I'm called Father Kafadha.
Okay.
Idhi nade?
I'm not bad.
Irokamano. You're very smart lady. Very cute. Wonderful. You're very smart. You're very smart. Okay. Idhi nade?
I'm not bad.
Irokamana eja. Madam, I'll give you tomorrow. Agombo ng'ato moro ma anyalo dak godo. Ma nyuomo kaka jaoda. Koro kokin modich ahinya, please.
Oh, I am so ready. Yes, I am ready to be yours.
You are?
I am ready. Yeah.
Okay.
So where is your car? Endo, you told me you've come to buy a plot of land for.
Yes.
Yeah. So since this area, I can help you
Nyako ni
to...
dogi dung manade ne yao. Nyako ni dogi dung manade ne yao. Madam, sina shida na wewe. Inti maber.
Yes.
Okay, madam, excuse me. So acha tu niende. Nimegundua niko na shughuli mahali, siwezi kaa na wewe for longer, please. Acha tu niende, tutaongea, please.
So okay, we can exchange contacts.
Contacts?
Yes.
I blocked my phone. Wow, hautapata, please. Acha tu niende. We'll meet next time. Si unapitanga hapa?
Yeah.
Kila siku?
Yeah. Almost every day.
Ya kakoro nyathima nyako dhogi dung kama. Ni nyako ka nyako nyaka bed gi shida. Kata neno ber manade. Nyako ma ber ma ondikore, nyako ma chuo mong'inore ka maunga. Wuotho ma mitna, anyalo stop my car, ma chung ma wuo godo. To nyako ber, nyako dosore maber osuko wi maber. Lakini dho nyako oko kae makoro kalura kode yot. Anyalo winjo ang'o? Yani nyako moro maber nyaka bed gi shida. Akae, achana na mimi.